Hey, how are you?
Good. Are you doing like a site survey or what?
I'm exercising a right
No,
to
absolutely.
record public officials in their public duty in a public place.
Okay. Do you have an organization you belong to or anyone like that? Or are you just doing
What do you mean?
Do you have an organization you belong to?
Do I have to be part of an organization to exercise a right?
Well, you know the answer to that. Absolutely not. Just asking.
Okay.
Just asking.
All right.
Okay. You don't have to answer, but is there a reason you're recording public officials on the block? Is there anything we can help you with? Anything I can explain or?
No.
No?
No, I don't need your assistance.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you answered my question. Take care. Have a nice day.
You too. The cop I took pictures of earlier. Parked on a bus stop. I'll let him slide if he's a fireman. Psych. Shit, any seatbelts on? No seatbelts. No seatbelts.
Nice pictures? Yeah?
How are you today?
I don't know. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Taking pictures up today.
I explained to one of your lieutenant, whoever the fuck came out here before.
Okay. What are we talking? There's a question. Well, you can't answer the question?
No, I don't have to.
Have a good day.
You too. Excuse me. Name and badge number, please. Officer, are you going to violate your patrol guide and not provide your name and badge number?
Taking pictures, bro?
Yep.
I love it.
Thank you. Name and badge number?
Got it?
And what's your command?
Go ahead.
I don't know what that is. You mean the 23rd precinct? Yeah, I knew you were taking pictures for me from there. I felt you creeping. That's why he fucking decided to wave, because I knew he was taking pictures from there. You know, when you get that feeling somebody's watching you, that's the exact same feeling I had. I turned around and bam. Cop taking pictures of me. Well, that's in violation of the hand-shoe doctrine that was handed down from the FBI, that NYPD can't use cameras unless they suspect a crime afoot. Let's see. Oh. Fireman with no seatbelt. Got the seatbelts on. No seatbelts. Hey, you think if you're writing tickets for giving people without riding with seatbelts, you think you should be riding with seatbelts? If you're giving out tickets for not wearing seatbelts, don't you think you should be wearing your seatbelts? No answer. I got it clear on film, none of you had your seatbelt on. So you violate the code you enforce? No, you nothing to say? You want a profile? That's good for you? Do you suspect a crime, sir? Because you know you can't use your personal phone because that's a violation of the hand-shoe decree by the federal department. Name and badge number? Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Are you refusing to identify yourself? You know you have a duty to identify yourself when asked, right? See, that's called karma, dumbass. Fucking pig. Violate your own code. That's what you do, right? You don't identify yourself when you're asked to? Yeah, I'm gonna need your name and badge number. It's a public sidewalk. It's a public sidewalk.
This part right here is confidential.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
This is a confidential facility.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
So I'm asking you, just remove yourself from right here. You can go.
Well, you should have asked nicely before yelling through the intercom.
Who was you? I didn't ask you. I didn't even know you. I was my own.
Somebody yelled through the intercom.
I'm asking you as a separate individual. Can you please just not right here? Because this is a confidential facility, and we can't have people standing.
No, I'm not taking pictures of people going in the building.
I'm asking you now. Either you're saying yes or you're saying no. I'm not trying to be nasty.
Of course I'm saying no.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. And again with no seatbelts. Isn't driving without a seatbelt dangerous? Don't y'all ticket people for driving without seatbelts? Or being passengers without seatbelts? No seatbelts? Yeah, they came out of car.
They're the main ones break the law every day.
Huh?
They're the main ones who break the law all the time.
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I'm recording. Look, I got a whole bunch of them standing right there. I got a whole army of them standing inside the precinct watching me.
Those are protesters? What are they doing?
No, just kids being brainwashed by the police. Oh, now they use seatbelts. Now that they know I'm recording, because they don't use seatbelts. Are you guys using seatbelts because I'm recording? You gotta use them seatbelts. He took it off. How are you today? Case of what? Identify yourself. Name and badge number, sir. Just in case. You're not a cop, but just in case. Hey, I saw you before driving without a seatbelt. Don't you guys ticket people for not wearing their seatbelts? No seatbelt. No seatbelt. Wow, you guys like to ride around without your seatbelts. But yeah, I like to ticket people for that too. You're a sergeant and you are in the car without a seatbelt? I think that's not setting a good example. Sergeant without a seatbelt. Wait a minute, I thought you said you weren't a cop. And you going in the precinct and you didn't identify yourself?